Hi everyone, and welcome to the review of this coffee machine from the brand Breville. After trying different machines, I keep coming back to this one. It's honestly my favorite on the market right now. There are many models available, but in the end, this is the one I've chosen again. In fact, this is my third one. Let's get into the unboxing and take a look at the features. What's in the box? First, we have the user manual. Then there's the portafilter handle. A cleaning kit is also included. There's a nice tamper. It's magnetic, so you can attach it to the machine or use it manually. The razor tool is included as well. This helps level off the coffee in the portafilter to avoid overfilling. Honestly, I never use it. You also get 3 filters here, and one is already installed in the portafilter, so you're getting 4 filters in total. These allow you to brew for 1 or 2 cups, use pre-ground coffee, even coarse like American style, or make a standard espresso. This machine has a built-in grinder. It can make coffee, steam milk, make cappuccinos, and dispense hot water. It doesn't technically make American coffee, but let's be honest, that's just espresso with a lot of hot water. So when I want a longer coffee, like the one I'm drinking now, I brew 2 longer espressos and top them off with hot water. There you go, homemade American coffee. The grinder also features a dial to adjust grind size, which is really handy. I love how compact the setup is, and the stainless steel build makes it look great too. Of course, inside there's probably some plastic, but externally, it's mostly metal. There's also a drip tray drawer to collect water and condensation. It has a little floating indicator that pops up when the tray is full, so you know when it's time to empty it. The filters can be stored in a back compartment, which is a clever touch. The water tank at the back holds about 2 liters, and it comes with a water filter that you need to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes before inserting. This water filter holder has a date dial, set today's date, and remember to replace it every 2 to 3 months. I bought this model in the US market, and 3 years ago, it was one of the few quality coffee machines available. Now there are tons of similar models, even from Italian brands, but I still prefer this one. Ready to brew our first coffee. We've added water and inserted the filter. I'm using bottled water instead of tap. Filtered tap water is fine, but bottled ensures no chlorine or calcium. We've plugged it in, and I'm using these coffee beans. I'll probably try a different brand soon. On this side, you can adjust the grind size. I'm leaving it at setting 4. Let's power it on. They also provide this tool for automatic dosing, but I don't use it. Grinding is super simple. Just press the portafilter against the button. It stops automatically. Very convenient. I had the setting on single shot, but this filter is a double. Technically, I should change that, but for now it's fine. You can also press the button again to stop grinding earlier. Now the coffee is perfectly ground and fluffy. You can tamp it manually on a flat surface or directly in the machine like a barista. There's also this aluminum razor tool, beautifully designed, which levels off the puck even more. But I never use it. It looks cool though. Now we run some hot water to clean the group head before our first brew. We also run a bit of steam for a quick pre-clean. Let's make a cappuccino. I've poured some milk into the frothing jug. While it heats up, I'm grinding the coffee automatically. You can also press the tamper button again if needed, but I usually just leave it in place and tamp manually. I like that with a metal jug, you can feel the temperature and know when it's hot enough. I don't like milk too hot, just warm is perfect. While the milk is heating, let's brew the coffee. I always go for the double shot. I also keep a wet cloth handy to clean the steam wand right away. It stays very hot, and if you don't clean it immediately, it's hard to clean later. You can stop the espresso if you don't want it too long. Since this is a cappuccino, that's what I do. I've never mastered making the fancy foam art like you see online, but no big deal. Still looks beautiful. And here's our delicious cappuccino. Let's finish off with a little snack. Perfect.